Introduction. Unlocking your tech horoscope can offer personalized insights into productivity based on your zodiac sign. Each sign has unique traits that influence how you interact with technology and manage your time. By understanding these tendencies, you can harness your strengths and use specific tools and strategies to enhance your efficiency and achieve your goals. Here's a detailed guide on how to maximize your productivity based on your zodiac sign. Aries, the trailblazer. Tech tip: Aries are known for their leadership qualities and their ability to thrive in fast-paced environments. They are driven by competition and often juggle multiple projects simultaneously. To keep up with their dynamic energy, Aries should use project management tools like Trello or Asana. These platforms allow you to organize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress efficiently, enabling you to switch between projects without losing momentum. Productivity trick: set short, achievable goals with clear deadlines. Aries thrive on challenges and are motivated by the need to accomplish tasks quickly. By breaking down larger projects into smaller, time-bound tasks, you can maintain your competitive edge and keep your energy levels high. Taurus, the steady worker. Tech tip: Taurus values stability, routine, and consistency. They are patient and methodical, preferring to work at a steady pace. To support their need for order, Taurus should use apps like Habitica to build and maintain a consistent daily routine. This app gamifies task management, making it easier to stick to habits and routines. Additionally, Evernote can help Taurus keep their notes, ideas, and tasks organized, ensuring a clutter-free digital workspace. Productivity trick: create a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing workspace. Taurus thrives in environments that are physically comfortable and visually appealing. Investing in ergonomic furniture and taking regular breaks to refresh will enhance your productivity and keep you grounded. Gemini, the communicator. Tech tip: Gemini is the sign of communication and versatility. They are naturally curious, often juggling multiple interests and tasks. To stay connected and manage their multitasking tendencies, Gemini should leverage communication tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. These platforms allow for seamless collaboration and quick exchanges of ideas. Additionally, apps like Pocket or Instapaper can help Gemini save articles, videos, and other content for later, ensuring they can keep up with their wide range of interests without disrupting their workflow. Productivity trick: break tasks into smaller, varied activities to maintain engagement. Gemini's quick mind thrives on variety, so switching between tasks or working on multiple projects simultaneously can help keep boredom at bay and productivity high. Cancer, the nurturer. Tech tip: Cancer is deeply intuitive and values emotional connections and security. They work best in environments that feel safe and supportive. To manage their tasks and maintain emotional balance, Cancer should use apps like Todoist to keep their schedules and to-do lists in order. Rescue time can also be beneficial for Cancer, as it helps track screen time and encourages breaks, ensuring they don't overextend themselves emotionally or physically. Productivity trick: establish clear boundaries between work and personal life. Cancer needs to feel emotionally secure, so scheduling downtime and creating a digital detox routine in the evenings can help recharge their energy and prevent burnout. Leo, the leader. Tech tip: Leos are natural leaders who thrive on recognition and creative expression. They enjoy showcasing their talents and achievements. Social media platforms like LinkedIn or Instagram can be powerful tools for Leo, allowing them to build their personal brand and gain the recognition they crave. Canva is another valuable tool for Leos, enabling them to create visually stunning presentations and content that highlight their creativity and leadership. Productivity trick: set goals that involve public recognition or rewards. Leos are motivated by acknowledgement, so aligning their tasks with opportunities for praise or recognition will keep them driven to perform at their best. Virgo, the perfectionist. Tech tip: Virgos are detail-oriented and highly organized, making them excellent at managing complex tasks. They thrive on structure and precision. To support their need for meticulous organization, Virgos should use tools like Notion or Microsoft OneNote. These platforms allow for detailed note-taking, task management, and project planning, helping Virgos keep everything in perfect order. Pomodoro can also help manage their time effectively, breaking work into focused intervals with regular breaks. Productivity trick: focus on one task at a time to avoid overanalysis. Virgos can sometimes get caught up in the details, so using checklists and setting clear priorities can help them stay on track and avoid perfectionism. Libra, the balancer. Tech tip: Libras seek harmony and balance in all aspects of life. They are skilled collaborators who value aesthetically pleasing environments. Google Calendar can be a vital tool for Libras, helping them balance their work and personal life by scheduling tasks and events evenly throughout the day. Miro is another excellent tool for Libras, providing a visual platform for brainstorming and collaboration that appeals to their sense of beauty and balance. Productivity trick: work in aesthetically pleasing environments to enhance focus and creativity. Libras are inspired by beauty, so organizing a workspace that is both functional and visually appealing can boost productivity. Balancing solitary work with collaborative tasks will also help maintain their inner peace. Scorpio, the strategist. Tech tip: Scorpios are intense, focused, and deeply strategic. They value privacy and security in their work. Signal or other encrypted communication tools are ideal for Scorpios, ensuring that their projects and communications remain confidential. To maintain deep concentration and avoid distractions, Scorpios can use Focus at Will, a music app designed to enhance focus and productivity through scientifically optimized music. Productivity trick: work in short, intense bursts followed by breaks. Scorpios work best when they can focus intensely on a task for a short period and then take a break to recharge. This approach aligns with their natural energy cycles and helps prevent burnout. Sagittarius, the explorer. Tech tip: Sagittarius is the sign of exploration and learning. They are naturally curious and thrive on intellectual stimulation. To satisfy their thirst for knowledge, Sagittarius should use learning platforms like Coursera or Udemy to explore new subjects and skills. Google Earth or Duolingo can also be useful tools for Sagittarians, allowing them to explore new places and languages from the comfort of their home. Productivity trick: incorporate daily learning and exploration into your routine. Sagittarius thrives on variety and new experiences, so dedicating time each day to learning something new or exploring a new interest will keep them engaged and prevent boredom. Capricorn, the achiever. Tech tip: Capricorns are disciplined, goal-oriented, and highly ambitious. They are natural planners who excel at setting and achieving long-term goals. Goals on Track is an ideal tool for Capricorns, helping them set clear objectives and track their progress over time. Clockify can also be beneficial for Capricorns, enabling them to track their time meticulously and ensure that every minute is used productively. Productivity trick: break down large projects into manageable steps with deadlines. Capricorns thrive on structure and responsibility, so dividing big projects into smaller tasks with specific deadlines will keep them focused and on track to achieve their goals. Aquarius, the innovator. Tech tip: Aquarius is innovative, tech-savvy, and often ahead of their time. They love exploring new ideas and technologies. MindMeister or Mural are excellent tools for Aquarius, providing platforms for brainstorming and mapping out complex ideas. Staying updated with the latest tech trends through platforms like TechCrunch or GitHub will also keep Aquarius inspired and on the cutting edge. Productivity trick: embrace unconventional work methods and explore new technologies. Aquarius thrives on innovation and change, so experimenting with new tools, methods, or technologies will keep them inspired and productive. Pisces, the dreamer. Tech tip: Pisces are creative, intuitive, and deeply connected to their inner world. They often excel in artistic and imaginative tasks. Calm or headspace are great tools for Pisces, helping them maintain mental clarity and emotional balance through meditation and mindfulness. Adobe Creative Cloud can also be an essential tool for Pisces, providing them with the creative resources they need to express their ideas and visions. Productivity trick: schedule regular breaks for creative thinking and relaxation. Pisces need time to recharge their creative energies, so incorporating periods of relaxation and reflection into their day can help them maintain their flow and prevent burnout. Using music or ambient sounds to create a soothing work environment can also enhance their productivity. Conclusion: by understanding the unique tendencies and strengths associated with your zodiac sign, you can tailor your approach to technology and productivity. Whether it's through the use of specific tools, creating the right environment, or adopting personalized strategies, aligning your work habits with your astrological profile can help you achieve greater efficiency and satisfaction in your daily life.